Today we'll talk about how can you disable alarm settings on your manager app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on more down here, and you just click here on more. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on configuration here. When you just click here on configuration, you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just go down, you keep going down here. So then you click here on alarm settings, just click on it here. Then it's going to show for you like this here, and here you disable here alarm. So that, like you see here, it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all I wish you I give it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.